Now, we are gonna pivot to two awesome customer stories. I promised you wouldn't just hear from us, you'd hear from Trailblazers and their stories, and we've got two amazing ones for you. We're gonna focus on driving consumer engagement with e.l.f. Cosmetics, and we're gonna look at transforming business engagement with Conagra Foods. Let's start with Ekta Chopra, the head of digital, I'm looking at you, from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Let's cue the film to see their story.
I want more women in tech. I started my journey as a system administrator, and I used to love breaking and fixing stuff. Like, break it, fix it. And I'm like, oh my God, this is exactly what I was meant to do.
The first word I would use to describe Ekta is inspiring. She is an unstoppable force multiplier. She is a natural-born cheerleader. She does it in such a way that really rallies an organization.
Ekta is a complete trailblazer. If I just think of her leadership in terms of all the different transformations that have taken place in our company.
e.l.f. is a digital native.
We were one of the original disruptors in our space, going first direct to consumer on the internet, building up the #1 mass e-commerce site, and constantly innovating and moving as fast as our consumers do.
Cosmetics is one of the most intimate, personal categories there is. How do I walk into that room feeling like I can conquer the world?
So much of our industry is focused on kind of being exclusionary.
We are for the young, the old, the glam, the minimalist, the maximalist, and every look in between.
Our mission is to bring the best of beauty and make it accessible to every eye, lip, and face. It is, by nature, a very inclusive mission, and we need to live our mission and make sure that we're serving our community.
Even though our consumers are incredibly diverse, their needs, wants, and desires are remarkably similar. The consumer doesn't want to feel like everybody else. How do we speak to them directly in a language that's appealing to them?
This one-on-one personalization, and how do we deliver that in a really, really rapid way?
And that's where Salesforce comes in for us.
From discovery all the way to post-purchase, the full connected platform allows me to make this a frictionless journey for them.
The role of Salesforce is really to help brands like ours be able to scale that make us punch way above our weight.
That's how we're gonna deliver that e.l.f. oh my God moment that you just can't wait to share with a friend. That shift from just great marketing to intelligent marketing is something that Ekta is leading and behind with so much enthusiasm that it's been contagious within the organization.
One of the things I appreciate most about Ekta is her passion, not only for technology, but especially for our team and for people and partnership.
It's a company that wins together, and I think that culture is part of the DNA. I love working for e.l.f.
And to bring that story to life, please join me in welcoming friend, colleague, Dana Sherry. Thank you, Dana.
Hello, Chicago. I am overjoyed to be here. I love this city. I graduated from Northwestern, go Wildcats. I also lived in the west loop of Chicago and had the most amazing time. I also volunteered at a school not too far from here in Bronzeville, and I have some of the most amazing memories of living in this city, and so I'm so grateful to be here with you all today. I'm also excited because we are joined by Ekta Chopra, head of digital at e.l.f. Cosmetics. Ekta, your enthusiasm, your passion for what you are doing at e.l.f. Cosmetics is truly infectious. We're so excited to have you here. Thank you so much for being a trailblazer. What you and your team are doing is just phenomenal. So thank you so much. So e.l.f., like Salesforce, they keep their core values top of mind in everything that they do. Now, one of those core values is inclusivity. Like you heard in the film, they believe in providing beauty products for every eye, lip, and face. This is core to what they do. And this has been the case since they started in 2004, as a completely digital company selling $1 cosmetics online. Now, since then, they have become one of the fastest growing cosmetic brands in the United States. You can find their products everywhere, from Target to Ulta to Old Navy to CVS. They've also built up a massive online store and massive online presence that is all powered by Commerce Cloud. Now, one thing is true. As you grow, you encounter challenges. How many of you can relate to that? I'm pretty sure a lot of heads nodding, yes. As you grow, you experience challenges, and this was the case for e.l.f. As they grew, what they started to see was that their customer base was becoming more diverse. Their customer base was growing, and they pride themselves on providing personalized customer experiences. And they wanted to ensure that they continued to do that now, no matter how fast their customer base grew. Not only that, but one thing we all know is that we are becoming more mobile first. We are more mobile first. And this was the case for e.l.f.'s customer base. They became more mobile first, and so e.l.f. needed to respond. e.l.f. needed to ensure that they were providing those consistent, integrated, and inclusive experiences no matter what device their customers were using. And they needed a platform to be able to do that. That is why they turned to Salesforce. Now, this is the Salesforce Customer 360. You saw it earlier. You're going to see it a lot. And this version of it, it shows you all the different capabilities that Salesforce offers to all of you, to all of our customers, from sales to service to marketing to commerce. But this version of it, what we prefer is when you take this version and you tailor it to your business, when you tailor it to your customer journeys and your customer experiences. And that's exactly what e.l.f. has done here. e.l.f. Cosmetics has taken our platform, has taken the Salesforce Customer 360, and they have tailored it to their customer journey. They have tailored it to their customer experiences. This is what we want all of you to do. They've partnered with us to bring this to life. They're using Marketing Cloud to connect with their customers across multiple channels, whether it's text or social or email. They're using Commerce Cloud, to deliver those more personalized experiences. And service. Service is there at every single touch point, ensuring that their customers, their beauty enthusiasts, are getting the support that they need at the point when they need it. And it's all integrated. Let's take a closer look at Commerce Cloud. Now, I heard earlier that many of you are Commerce Cloud customers, or Demandware customers, formerly known as Demandware. Commerce Cloud is our market-leading platform to help you build integrated, unified commerce experiences fast. And we've made it even faster with the introduction of Page Designer. Page Designer gives you the drag and drop tools to design, schedule, and publish your e-commerce sites quickly, using clicks and not code. We want to make this easier for you to deploy. And this is for your marketers to use, your merchandisers to use, or your admins. Now, in order to get to that integrated, unified commerce experience, you need a marketing journey that leads into that. This is where Marketing Cloud comes into play. With Marketing Cloud, you can personalize the interactions that you have with your customers. You can optimize the content that you send them, and you can engage with them across all channels, across all the different customer touchpoints. And as a marketer myself, I know how hard it is to get the right content in front of the right audience at the right time and at the right frequency. And in our state of marketing research, we found that less than one-third of us marketers feel the same way. We have a hard time getting the right messages to the right customer at the right time. This is why we're so excited about the new intelligent capabilities that we've built into Marketing Cloud. Einstein send time optimization and engagement frequency. Say that 10 times fast. These intelligent capabilities allow you as marketers to focus on what matters, to focus on building incredible customer programs and incredible marketing journeys to put your customers on the right track, to get them the insights that they need. It's looking at your engagement trends, your open and click rate data, to ensure that you're able to get the right messages to the right customers at the right time, and again, at the right frequency. I, as a consumer, know how important this is. I'm inundated with different messages from different brands, and to me, it's important when a brand knows exactly how to engage with me. And that's the case for all of you as consumers. And these capabilities between Commerce Cloud and Marketing Cloud, they're available for all of our customers, of all sizes, whether you're B2B or B2C. Let's take a look at how e.l.f. Cosmetics envisions using a lot of these innovations to deliver that personalized, integrated, and unique experience to all of their beauty enthusiasts. All right, everyone, meet Julia. Hey, Julia, I see you there. Julia loves spending time on social media, like many of us do. And here she is scrolling on her Instagram feed. Can't go wrong with puppies and popcorn. And as she's scrolling through her Instagram feed, she stumbles on a post by Kato Calloway. Julia is a huge fan of Kato Calloway. And it looks like Kato is hosting a meet and greet event nearby at Water Tower Place. Now, Kato is an e.l.f. micro-influencer. She's also an e.l.f. A-lister. And Julia wastes no time. She hops on the e.l.f. and she dashes over to the event. When she gets there, she has the opportunity to meet Kato in person. And everyone, she damn near faints. Not only that, but she also gets a chance to sign up for e.l.f.'s customer loyalty program, the Beauty Squad. And she receives a pair of free faux eyelashes. Now, she has a great time at the event. She recovers from meeting Kato, and she heads home. And she heads home and she puts on those new eyelashes, and guess what? She absolutely loves them. She loves the way they make her look. She loves the way they make her feel. So much so that she goes home and she goes on the e.l.f. Cosmetics website to find more products. And e.l.f. knows that now more than ever before, their customers are using mobile phones to make their e-commerce purchases and to make those visits to their website. And luckily for them, Commerce Cloud lets you design and build e-commerce experiences that render beautifully on any device. So here Julia is, she's looking for makeup. Lollapalooza is coming up soon, and she wants to glam it up a bit. So she's gonna do a search, and she's gonna try something a little different. She's gonna use voice. She's gonna use dictation here to enter into that search. Let's listen in as Julia searches for some products on the e.l.f. website.
Hey, Dana, check this out. Long-lasting matte eyeshadow.
Well, that was quick. Pretty cool. Just like that, Julia used dictation to search for eyeshadow. And e.l.f., using Einstein search recommendations, served up the most relevant products for her profile. And in just a few clicks, Julia can choose the products that she wants to add to her cart seamlessly. Now, one thing that e.l.f. knows is in order to provide more personalized and integrated experiences to your customers, you need more information about your customers, with their permission, of course. And in order to get that rich information about your customers, you have to give them more opportunities to engage with your brand, more opportunities to connect with your brand. And that's exactly what you can do with Commerce Cloud and with Page Designer. With Page Designer, I mentioned before, you have the drag and drop capabilities to build out new e-commerce experiences. So here, we can see a list of all the components that are available to add to this page. You can add components that are custom, that are built by your developers, or standard components like product recommendations, or service chatbots. In this case, our admin is gonna drag over that first component called Take a Selfie. We'll drag that onto the page, and we can publish that so that it's instantly available for our customers to use. Now, let me let you in on a little secret. That selfie component, that is powered by Einstein Vision, which is harnessing the power of unstructured data with image recognition and natural language processing to help you build next-generation applications. Let's take a look at exactly how Julia is going to use this selfie component to help build out a richer profile. The selfie component is looking at Julia's face, and it detects that she has an oval-shaped face. And no, that's not Where's Waldo. Selfie is looking at Julia's eyes, and it detects that she has oval-shaped eyes. Next, it's recognizing her beautiful skin tone, and it recognizes that she has a light skin tone. And just like that, in a few quick steps, we're able to gather that rich information that helps fuel Julia's profile, so that e.l.f. can deliver more personalized experiences going forward. Let's see how all of this rich data surfaces itself in her personalized homepage. So here we are on Julia's personalized homepage on her mobile phone, and we can see at the top that we're serving up content that's relevant to her. We can see that eyeliner for almond eyes. As we scroll down, there's more intelligent product recommendations. Here, e.l.f. is serving up a foundation that matches her skin tone. All of this is based on that rich information that we were able to gather from our customers. This is how e.l.f. is providing those inclusive and integrated experiences, and this is how Salesforce is providing AI for everyone. Now, this experience is personalized for Julia, but it's also personalized for me. It's personalized for Eric. It's personalized for Stephanie. And for you, Rick. This is how we are truly providing AI for everyone and empowering organizations to deliver personalized experiences. Now, one other thing that we know is that we as customers, we as consumers, have more information than ever before. And your customers have more information than ever before. And consumers want to know that you are listening to them. They want to know that you are hearing them, that you are understanding their needs. And one of the best ways to show your customers that you are listening to them is to put them on a personalized journey. And that's what you can do with Journey Builder, built on Marketing Cloud. Now, here in Journey Builder, you can visualize all the different customer touchpoints through journey mapping, and you can build out new interactions across every one of those touchpoints and across every channel. And with Google Analytics 360, you can measure the effectiveness of those interactions. Now, here we're looking at the Beauty Squad influencer journey. This is that journey from glow-getter to A-lister. And I mentioned before that we have embedded new intelligent capabilities to make this experience more optimized and more scalable for you, to ensure that you're getting the right messages to the right customers at the right time and at the right frequency. And that's what Einstein Send Time Optimization and Engagement Frequency allows you to do. So let's take a look at what this looks like for Julia. So Julia's checking her phone, and she gets a message at the time where she was most likely to check her phone. And it's letting her know that she has just hit A-lister status with e.l.f. Congratulations, Julia! Woo! Julia has been a loyal customer. She's bought a lot of products on e.l.f., and she has earned that A-lister status. When she taps into that notification, she sees more information. She also learns that she has just received a free deluxe beauty set. Julia has a question about one of the products in that beauty set, and luckily for her, she does not have to leave this experience to get that question answered. She can simply tap on that Chat Now button right within this email, and she is instantly brought to a conversation with a bot. But folks, this is not just any old bot. This is BeautyBot, and this is powered by Einstein and built natively on the Salesforce platform, which means it's leveraging all of that rich CRM data to have a conversation with Julia in context. The bot asks Julia, which product does she have a question about? Julia can simply tap on that eyeshadow brush, and the bot lets her know that, hey, this is a product that's made and loved by people that also have almond-shaped eyes. It also sends her a YouTube video showing her exactly how to use that brush. And just like that, Julia was able to get her question answered without leaving the experience that she was already in. That is personalized service. That is very fast, efficient service. That is the service that we can all appreciate. Now, I mentioned before that Julia has become an A-lister. She's a very engaged e.l.f. loyalist. And she's also a micro-influencer now. Things have come full circle, just like her idol, Kato Calloway. And it looks like Julia has just received that free deluxe beauty set that we mentioned. Let's check in as Julia does a live unboxing of this beauty set here on Instagram Live.
Hey everyone, I'm so excited to be showing you this deluxe beauty set that e.l.f. sent me for becoming an A-lister. This is full of products that's personalized for my eyes, lips, and face based off of my beauty profile. Make sure to join the Beauty Squad so you too can go from glow-getter to A-lister.
Woo! Congratulations, Julia. We are immensely proud of you. You are an inspiration to many. Now, e.l.f. is at the forefront of delivering these incredibly personalized experiences to their customers. Ekta Chopra and her team are doing amazing things on the platform, and we're so excited for what they have in store. In this demo, you saw us show you how e.l.f. can use Marketing Cloud to connect with their customers on the channels that they prefer. For Julia, that was Instagram. That marketing experience was tied directly into an e-commerce experience where we served up intelligent product recommendations based on Julia's profile. And service. Service was there when Julia needed it most. We were able to have that conversation with a bot. And you can build that bot using Bot Builder. Build that bot declaratively so that your customers can get the customer support that they're looking for when they need it. Now, if you loved this demo and you want to learn more about all the incredible innovations that you saw here today, I encourage you to go out and check that trail mix. And with that, back to you, Stephanie.
Go to the next slide, Skip. Thank you, Dana. That was fantastic. And thank you again to you and the entire e.l.f. team. We love what we're doing together, and you are truly a trailblazer. Thank you so much.